man.
It's a good snack.
Hello.
Hey.
Yo. Welcome to Wash the Potatoes again. I have nothing to do. I decided to do some snack reviews because we have been snacking quite a lot. Why not, right? Share our snacks reviews. Anyways, we bought 4 snacks randomly at NTUC. I got the new laksa flavor, the cup noodle one, roller coaster in tom yum flavor. And lastly, he picked this, the Jack and Jill mala spicy. Yeah.
No, I only pick it cause I want to leave the place. We stand at the freaking snack section for like 30 minutes cause she cannot decide.
It wasn't 30 minutes, it was just 5 minutes. That was...
No, it was damn long.
It was just... It's really 5 minutes.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
You pick
lastly, okay, it is the kaninabe. So I bought this snack only because of its name. Start with the underwhelming one first, I think. The mala one. Okay, open it.
This will be the nice.
No, this won't be the nicest. Oh man, I don't like opening chips that way. I mean, who the hell open like that one?
Ta-da!
Okay, taste test. Actually not bad. You don't like it?
I don't like. It's like just pure spicy.
The ma is very little. But I think it's not bad there for 140. 140 right? I'm craving for some mala chips. This is good. Would you ever eat it again?
Yeah. If I go to my friend's house and then have, I will just eat.
I like it.
Decent but it's really quite ma.
Actually, I like quite addictive.
Yeah, it's not bad.
By the way, we're not going to finish everything, okay? If not, we become fat folks. What's the next one? Okay, good time.
Yes, madam. Oh my god, my saliva.
So I can see the string when you pull out. The next is the laksa one. It's so little.
Sure.
Taste test. You go.
Let me try this.
Speak good one. Dark one.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I don't like. Nah, bro.
Like, I can taste the... When it went in my mouth, right, there was like coconut. Then slowly the chili thing spice. Then mix together, like... You can feel...
Yeah, I don't know what I'm tasting. It's weird.
Yeah.
You don't know.
It's like laksa, but taste come in layers.
Pro tip, you must always check which side has more flavor. Like...
The seasoning.
Yeah, the seasoning. Because you're eating the same calories anyway.
Then tongue side down. I mean season side
This is
down.
my tip. This is my tip.
Yeah, good tip. I used to just eat, and whenever I see him like, I'm like, what the hell are you doing?
It's the way. I show you the way.
I would eat a cup noodle, but I wouldn't get these laksa chips again. You?
I won't go.
Okay. Tom yum roller coasters. You prefer the cheese one or the barbecue one?
The red colour bag one.
Barbecue one. Doesn't smell like anything.
You, what?
Like a disappointment. What the? Okay. It's like $1.
I don't know.
It says. Oh man.
What flavour is this?
Tom yum.
I think it's okay. As in better than the laksa one.
This Nissin one, the one that comes in the tom yum, right, is actually better than this tom yum roller coaster. meh, so underwhelming. But you know, like, just to share a fun fact, not fun fact, but random thing, random story. When I was young, right, you know cornflakes, Kellogg's, the Kellogg's cornflakes. Just had an idea whereby I put the paste right into the cornflakes and then I shake. Wow, oh my god, that was like the, oh my god, they're gonna steal my idea. But really, it's damn nice. It's damn nice.
Okay.
Like next time I make for you.
Recently I like Tom Yum fried rice. Right? The first time I ate was at my friend's place.
Really, not the time you eat with me?
No.
You sure?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, it is. First time I ate was with her at Ang Mo Kio Food Court.
Yeah, I'm okay for the
Yeah.
robot fried rice.
It was good. You should try if you haven't eat laksa. What?
Haven't
Tom
tried
Yum
the
fried rice. If you haven't eat Tom Yum fried rice, you should go and eat Tom Yum fried rice at Ang Mo Kio Food Court. The one with the self-cooking wok. Awesome stuff.
I'm okay hard, right?
Yeah. 7 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
I think this roller coaster is my favorite
Really?
of the 3 so far.
But anyways, like it gets better after a few more. Like the seasoning starts to come
Yeah,
through. Right?
yeah.
At first it's just like really just tastes like the potato ring and then after the flavors come through. Next time, we should make the cornflakes tom yum.
Okay. Yeah, but this is good.
Not too bad. Okay, last one. Kaninabe. Ooh, that's easy. Ooh, that's like crab. Like those crab stick crab. Not too bad. The air to potato chips ratio. One. Got no seasoning one.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. I'm going to rate this at.
Really? I would buy again. I would buy again.
I might, not high chance.
Yeah, but this is good.
Yeah, not bad lah. If you buy, I will eat lah. I won't buy myself. Is this good?
This is not bad.
Underwhelming or?
Yeah, but because we eat so many snacks already, it's not fair to this guy.
Drink water. Next time should add those sweet snacks. But because you don't like sweet
Yeah, I
stuff.
don't like sweet stuff.
Yeah, but I think it's not bad, but it's just not salty enough. Right?
Yeah, it's not flavorful.
Yeah. How much is this ah? But this was the most expensive of all.
It's the biggest also, that's why. And it's from Japan.
Japan already?
Nippon.
Manufactured by Guangzhou City in China.
Oh, but it's Japanese.
Jack and Jill is Japan one, eh?
Okay, there's Japanese words here.
Oh,
It's not Japanese, okay, it's Japanese words here.
Oh, it's just the flavour is Japan ah.
Should be, yeah.
It just means crab hot pot, by the way. I didn't know that. Okay. Oh. Would you buy this again?
No.
No. I also won't. This is pointing. Safety for the last. Thought it would be good. But it's okay lah. Like, at least I got it out on mine. Because I always keep thinking about the snake that I didn't buy, the snake that I didn't buy.
What's your ranking of the 4?
What? Confirm last. So last, put there. I guess second last. I'm not sure I'll buy again sia. It's like that lah. This for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about you?
I think I switch.
Okay. Anyways, that's all. We're not gonna finish everything.
You should eat this now. Another pro tip is like if you see the bags that are like super filled up, like it's good because like you know like they pump nitrogen inside the bags so that like stuff cannot decompose the bag. Like whatever's inside, like you can't decompose whatever's inside. So if it's full, like if it's puffy means like, you know, no oxygen or whatever like went in, so that means it's still fresh.
cool. I didn't know that was like to keep it fresh. I always thought like the air is just to make sure that people can't crush it when it's stacked together.
Oh, maybe dual purpose but like what I heard is that there's nitrogen inside.
Yeah. Is nitrogen bad for the body?
I don't know, but it's not like you open the bag of chips and then you inhale everything like.
Yeah.
But,
We're going into science facts already.
But I don't think nitrogen is bad for the body because it's 70% in the air.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
something like that.
then the 1%
Primary
is
school science. 1% is
other
other
gases.
gases. Yeah.
I thought nitrogen was 1%. Sorry, 老师. Sorry. Haha.
This is quite spicy. I mean like it's not spicy but like you
Have
feel
you
like
kick,
yeah,
right?
you want to drink water. To me
Yeah, same.
I recommend this. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like the video. If we have how many likes you want?
2 likes, 1 like, 1 like.
If we have 2 likes, we will do it again.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Oh man.
It's a good snack.